All right, number 10. Mr. Edwards bought a 50-pound bag of flour for his bakery. It was equally divided among 6 days. How much flour was used per day? So, there's 50 pounds of flour, and it was equally divided among 6 days. How much flour was used per day? So, what we can do is, this is a division problem, right? We have a certain amount, which is 50 pounds of flour, and then it's divided equally among 6 days. Okay? And then it's asking just what is 1 day. So the answer would just be 50 divided by 6. So we can do it like this. 6 divided by 50. I know that 6 goes into 50 8 times. Okay? So 50 minus 48 equals 2. So it is a remainder of 2. But they don't want remainders, right? They want a fraction. So, since we're dividing it into 6 parts, the remainder actually becomes 8, and then the remainder becomes the numerator, and what we're dividing it by, 6 in this case, becomes the denominator. Because it is 8 wholes, but then it is 2 of what? It's 2 of these 6 equal parts, because we're dividing it up into 6 days. So it's 8 and 2/6. Okay? But 2/6 is not actually reduced, right? So it would end up being 8 and then not 2/6, but we can divide both top and bottom by 2, and it becomes 8 and 1/3. So what we can do is go back, and looks like B is 8 and 1/3. And what we can do with 8 and 1/3 to make sure that it makes sense is this should be the 50-pound bag of flour, and we should be able to multiply this by 6, okay, to get to 50. And I know 8 times 6, okay, we can use the box method or window method. 8 1/3, 6. 6 times 8 is 48. And 6 times 1/3 is 2. So, yeah, the answer is B.